4 best ways to remove age spots naturally. As we age, our skin gradually changes in color until small spots start appearing, especially on our face and hands. These are age spots, and they appear naturally. Our eating habits and skincare routines are important, both to prevent and reduce age spots. So, the real question is, can we avoid them and clear up your skin? Age spots are one of the most common signs of aging, and, in some cases, could appear relatively early, around 40 years of age. These dark spots may start appearing on the back of your hand, or on your face, forehead, arms, and chest. Although age spots don't affect your health, lots of people try to avoid them or treat them for aesthetic reasons. It's important to know the cause of these spots so that we can avoid them. The main cause of age spots is excessive exposure to the sun. Spending a couple of hours outside is important for our bodies to generate vitamin D. However, spending too much time, especially during the summer, damages the top layers of our skin and accelerates the degenerative process. Perfumes that contain alcohol could cause an allergic reaction when they come in contact with sunlight. These reactions can cause age spots. Keep in mind that some people are more likely to develop these spots due to a genetic predisposition. Lots of people only start worrying about age spots when they've already appeared. In the meantime, the prevention for age spots starts when you turn about 30 to 35 years old, with these simple measures. Avoid prolonged sun exposure. Be sure to protect yourself from UV rays that are released during the summer months around midday. This helps you keep from getting burned and damaging your skin. Use sunscreen. Use a sunscreen with at least 30 SPF to protect your skin on hot sunny days. People with very white or sensitive skin should use sun blockers or a children's sunscreen. Be careful with what you wear. Always try to cover up the sensitive areas of your skin, like your chest and back, from 11 to 3 o'clock during the summer. Eat fruits and green vegetables. Maintaining good eating habits is an important part of staying healthy. Drink lots of natural fruit juices and eat lots of salads, soups, and raw vegetables. Here are a few simple recipes to help clear up your skin if the age spots have already appeared. 1. Chickpea Mask. It's easy to prepare, and you can find the ingredients anywhere. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of water 62 milliliters. A half cup of cooked chickpeas 150 grams. Instructions: put the already cooked chickpeas in a container. Add the water gradually as you knead it in with a fork, making a uniform paste. Put it on the spots and let it dry for 20 minutes. You don't need to rinse it off, just let the dry paste come off on its own. Repeat this process every night. 2. Lemon juice. The high levels of acid present in the lemon penetrate the skin's layers and remove the spots. However, it has the opposite effect when in contact with sunlight, so only apply this at night. Cut a lemon in half and apply its juice on your age spots. Let it sit for a few minutes and rinse it off with warm water. You can also use purple onions and obtain the same results. Just rub it on the desired area and wash it off with warm water. 3. Dandelions. Dandelion liquid is very good for removing age spots. Open the dandelion stem horizontally and extract the liquid. Apply this liquid on your spots up to 3 times a day. There is no need to rinse it off, just let it work on your skin. As an alternative, you could also use aloe vera. Just apply it the same way as the dandelion liquid. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Like lemon juice, apple cider vinegar contains an acid that clears up age spots. To treat age spots on your hands, just use 2 parts hand lotion and 1 part apple cider vinegar. If you liked the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.